ainda não recolhia buat para quando a comparação entre o governo Timor-Leste e o governo China. E ponto dulu nebe maka minaro hal diskusão ida konaba mesa maka sibele solução muito liutana tu hare konaba facilidades para esportes nien ida tan maka me kulia konaba mesa maka tu fortifica a relação povo Timor-Leste e o povo China maka ida tu tentar tu halo cooperação ou ida kata exchange pertukaran budaya entre jovens siraus e Timor-Leste nos China. Tanto kita respon dari positif dari susi bahasa China e prometido kata kita si cooperatif litan ia oi ou buat sembunyi apa yang awak tete e bawa depois de encontro nesse esta discussão nível técnico dia atau heta buat nível apa yang alor amiku. Tamane opinião minha ao cargo de embaixador até ter dia fora rumah baik tebal sila. Tambah sila.
Thank you.
Itu pasti translate 呢？
还没有问题是吧？非常感谢，我刚才和青年和体育部长有一个很好的会谈。
I'm very grateful because we just have a very successful meeting.
我们共同对双边关系给予的积极评价。中国和东帝汶虽然相距遥远，但是我们是全面战略伙伴关系，是好朋友、好邻居。
Both of us think highly of the China-Timor-Leste relations because we are comprehensive strategic partner. We are good neighbors, good partners.
在中国和东帝汶交往的800年的历史中，我们留下的是友谊，是合作。
And the 800 years of history of our friendship cooperation, we just leave the friendship and remembrance.
东帝汶的青年是国家非常重要的一个群体，也是人数很多的一个群体，这也是东帝汶的未来。
The youth of the Timor-Leste is a very important part and a large part of this country. It represents the future of Timor-Leste.
我刚才跟部长阁下就如何进一步在促进青年教育、体育、文化发展方面，如何加大就教育、文化、体育交流进行合作，进行了良好的沟通。
I just have a very fruitful dialogue with Mr. Minister on the sports, art, culture, and education cooperation, focusing on the youth of Timor-Leste.
在东帝汶独立22年的过程中，那么中东交往在教育领域、体育领域留下了很好的传统，也留下了很好的很受老百姓、很受青年一代欢迎的设施。
As it is almost 21 years since the independence of Timor-Leste, the two countries have conducted very popular projects on the cooperation on education, arts, and culture.
特别是现在海边的这个足球场，每天从早到晚都有孩子们在踢球。
As we can see, the football field created by China and near the beach, there are the children playing football there from morning to night.
我们会进一步与青年和体育部保持沟通，我们会支持东帝汶筹建更多的体育设施，为东帝汶青少年的体育发展创造更好的条件。
We will keep close communication with the Ministry of Youth, Art, Culture and Sports, and to do more to promote the sport facilities of the Timor-Leste and have more further cooperation.
最后我还要借此机会再次对东帝汶在亚洲残运会上获得1500米跑的银牌表示祝贺。
At last, I want to congratulate on the athletes national games.
谢谢
Thank you.
Obrigado, Barca.